Hi guys, so if there is one dish perfectly captures the bold and spicy flavors of Indo-Chinese cuisine, it's chili paneer. But let's be honest, we all crave that crispy restaurant style magic that's so hard to get right at home. Well, today I'm going to share all the secrets to mastering this classic. This isn't just about mixing ingredients, it's about creating that perfect texture, paneer that's crispy on the outside and tender inside, all tossed in a fiery, glossy and addictive sauce. We'll show you how to get that perfect balance of spicy, tangy and crunchy that you love from your favorite takeaway. So whether you are craving a quick snack or a show-stopping appetizer, this recipe is a must try. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to make the paneer coating for chili paneer, in a bowl add half cup corn flour, 3 tablespoon maida or all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, add some salt to taste, then add little water at a time and keep mixing it. Keep adding little water at a time until the batter is nice and thick. This is the perfect consistency for the batter. Make sure the batter is something like this. Keep mixing it until it is nice and smooth and there is no lumps. Then simply add 500 grams paneer cut in cubes. Then give it a nice mix. Mix it until each paneer cube gets a nice coating. Then rest the paneer for like 2 minutes. Then simply deep fry the paneer cubes. Make sure the oil is not too hot. Fry it until the paneer pieces are nice and crispy and golden brown. Fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes. So the paneer is ready now. As you can see, that is a nice and crispy now. And it has got a nice golden brown color. When ready, simply remove it in a separate plate. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 5 garlic cloves chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, 1/3 cup spring onion white, and then fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 onion cut in cubes, add 1 green bell pepper cut in cubes, and then fry it until the onion and bell peppers are nice and soft. Then add 2 tablespoon red chili sauce, 3 tablespoon tomato ketchup, add 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, half tablespoon white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and then cook the sauce for about 2 minutes. Then add half cup water and give it a nice mix. And allow it to boil. Then to make corn flour slurry, add 1 tablespoon corn flour and 2 tablespoon water and give it a nice mix. Make sure that there are no lumps. Then simply add it in the sauce and keep mixing it until it is nice and thick. As you can see, that is getting nice and thick now. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube and give it a nice mix. So the consistency of the sauce is perfect. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply add the fried paneer cubes and gently mix the paneer in the sauce. As you can see that the sauce is nicely getting coated with the paneer. Then cook it until the gravy is nice and semi-dry. Then finish it with some spring onion green and give it a nice mix. So the restaurant style chili paneer is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own perfectly crispy restaurant style chili paneer. Just look at that beautiful glossy sauce and that vibrant color. This is a true game changer, proving you can get that authentic takeaway taste right here in your own kitchen. I truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's perfect for a party appetizer or as a delicious side dish for your next Indo-Chinese feast. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.